Hello everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classroom. In today's time, nowadays everyone are busy in various work as per their various activities. Students are busy in study, teachers are busy in preparing for the students, to teach the students, and then different parents are busy in their own work. So doctors are busy in treatment, and then police are busy to control the system. So these are all the things. Whoever their own responsibility, they are busy on their work, right? So the work is the most important thing through which we are earning, through which we are living, by which we are paying for, right? And the work, to do the work also, we have certain time. If we don't complete our own work with a particular time, then we cannot able to manage the time, because the time is also most important thing, which when passed, then we cannot get it back again. Okay, so we have to be balanced in the time and work. We have to do our work on time. We have to finish our work on time. So this is why today we are going to learn about the next topic of your class, which is time and work. Okay, so let's see what we will learn in this chapter. Chapter number 13, time and work. Okay, so to understand that, let us take an example. For example, I am saying I will take 8 days of time to complete a particular work. Okay, so total time I will take to finish a work, to finish a task, that is 8 days. So total time I will take to do a work is equal to 8 days. The total time I will take to do a work is equal to 8 days. It may be any pieces of work, कोई भी काम हो सकता है. मेरे को बताया है कि how many days it will take. I said that it will take 8 days. Sure, the total time it will take 8 days. That means how much work I am doing in 1 day. The total work is for 8 days. So now I want to find out in 1 day how much work of this total work I am doing. So in 1 day I will do, in 1 day the work done will be equal to 1 by 8. 1 by 8. So whatever the part of total work, out of that we will do one part in 1 day, right? And this is how in 2 days 2 by 8, 3 days 3 by 8, and in 8 days I will finish the work, right? And just opposite of that, suppose it is given कि in 1 day you are doing a pieces of work is this much. So in how many days you will finish the work? So suppose I am asking now, in 1 day I am doing 1 by 4 pieces of work. 1 by 4 pieces of work. So how many total time it will take to finish the work? So it will take, if you see, this is the total time and this is the one part of the total time I am doing. So here whatever the denominator, that much of total time it will take. Okay, so in case of 1, if it is there in numerator, so total time it will take is equal to 4 days. So from this we can conclude that if any number of days working days it is given that instead of 8 it may be 15, 20, 100, 200, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. So whatever the date it will be, if we want to find for 1 day, then we will divide that by 1. So instead of 8, if it is n days, कोई भी वैल्यू रह सकता है, n का मतलब वो होता है, then the work done in 1 day will be 1 by n. So whatever the value of n will be, that will be 1 by n. And in case of just opposite of that, if it is given for 1 day, if it is given for 1 day, and here suppose it is in 1 day it is he is working 1 by n of the work, right? So 1 by n of the work if it is doing in 1 day, then it will take the total time and to do the work. So in total n days he will complete the work. In this case it may be instead of 4 any value, कोई भी वैल्यू रहता है, हम लोग इस प्रोसेस से जो है टाइम एंड वर्क का प्रॉब्लम्स वी कैन सॉल्व, राइट? Very simply, first you have to understand that in 1 day how many time it will take, and in case of this you have to find out that how much total time it will take. So this is the basic concept about that. Now let us see some questions from your exercise. First question of your exercise, it is asking Ranjan can do a pieces of work in 24 days. So the total pieces of work Ranjan can do in 24 days. So first of most important thing you have to find that in 1 day how much pieces of work Ranjan is doing, right? And then why Amit can do it, but Ranjan can do in 24 days, the same pieces of work another people can do in less days also, and it can take more days also. So here for Amit it is taking 30 days. Okay. So now in how many days can they complete it if they work together? So if they are working together, then how many days it will take? This is the most important thing. Okay. So for that, for both the students, for both the peoples, Ranjit and Amit, we have to find out for 1 day how much it will take, and then we have to add both the pieces of work of 1 day, and then we will get that how many total time it will take to for them. Okay, so let us see. Ranjan can do a pieces of work in 24 days. So Ranjan can do the work in 1 day, or in 1 day Ranjan can do the pieces of work. So Ranjan can do the work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 24, right? And Amit can do work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 30. Okay, so now they are working together, therefore it will be added. Okay, now in how many days can they complete it if they work together? Okay, now they are working together. Now they are working together. Okay, so 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30, right, is equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30. Take the LCM of this and check how much it will come. So the LCM will come 720. Okay, so 720, and here is 30 plus 20. 24. So 30 plus 24 means 54. So 54 divided by 720. So 50, here I am writing. Okay. Here I am writing 54 divided by 720. So if you reduce this into the lowest fraction, 3 times 3 1 are 3 4 5 18. So 3 times 18 and 18 is 4 40. So it will be cancelled in 89. So 3 divided by 40. So 3 divided by 40 is the pieces of work done in 1 day. Okay. So Ranjit and Amit can do 3 by 40 pieces of work in 1 day. So you have to check in how many days it will be finished. So in 40 by 3, just opposite of that. So 40 by 3 days it will finish. Okay. So 40 by 3 means it will take 40 by 3 means if you convert that into mixed fraction, you will find 13 whole 1 by 3. Okay, 13 whole 1 by 3, 3 and 9, 39, 14. So this much of days it will take if they are working together. Here the most important thing is to understand that one piece in 1 day they can Ranjan can do this much of work, in 1 day Amit can do this much of work, and then in 1 day do both. If they are working together, they can do in 3 by 40 times. But because this is of 1 day, so we have to find how many days it will take. So just 40 by 3, just opposite of this. 40 by 3 means 13 whole 1 by 3 days it will take to finish the work. So this is how you can solve this type of problem. Instead of 24 and 30, it may be any value. So you can solve with the same process, right? The same way, if we see question number 2. Ravi can do a piece of work in 15 hours. So instead of days, now it is given hours. That's all. So why Raman can do the same work in 12 hours? Okay. So now they will work together. So what will total time take? So first we will find that how much they can work in 1 hour. Okay. Both the persons, and after that, if they are working together in 1 hour, how much of part of the work they can finish, and then we can find out that how much total time it will take to finish the work, right? So here Ravi can do a piece of work in 15 hours. So in 1 hour, Ravi can do 1 by 15 pieces of the work, right? And in 1 hour, Raman can do 1 by 12 pieces of the work. Now if they work together, then it will take 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. So 15 plus 12 is 15 and 12 60. 60 will become LCM, then 4 and plus 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So this is equal to 9 by 60. So 9 by 60 for 1 hour. So that means, but it is asking how long will it take to do it if they are working together. So it will take, that means in 1 hour 9 by 16. So it will take 60 by 9 hours. 60 by 9 hours means if you cancel out this, it will cancel also 3 times 20 times. So this will become 20 by 3. So 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 means 6 whole 2 by 3. So 6 whole 2 by 3 hours means 6 whole 2 by 3 hours means 2 by 3 of your hours means 2 by 3 into 16. So 3 2 are 16. So 2 2 are 40 minutes. So 6 hours 40 minutes. So to finish the work, if they are working together, it will take 6 hours and 40 minutes. Very simply, for in 1 hour, Ravi can do this much. In 1 hour, Raman can do this much. In 1 hour, both can do in 3 by 20 hours. So it will take 20 by 3 hours to do the total work as per the process which I have explained in the beginning. Okay. So this is how we can solve this type of time and work related problem. Okay. Let us see few more questions. Question number 3 is slightly different. Here it is given that 2 persons are there, A and B. It is name not given. So suppose any name is there. So they are working together and they are finishing a pieces of work in 6 days. So in total 6 days they are working. They are doing their work while they are working together. And A alone can do it in 9 days because they are working together. So they are completing in 6 days. But if A alone do that particular work, then it will take 9 days. So now it is asking how much time will B take to finish the work. So if B alone do the work, then how much time it will take. So this unknown quantity, this unknown value we will consider first. Okay. So let us consider number of days required for B to finish the work is equal to X. ये मान लेते हैं कि X डेज में जो है B अपना काम को फिनिश कर लेगा. So B can do the pieces of work in 1 day. Therefore B can do the work in 1 day is equal to 1 by X, right? So the total working days is X. So in 1 day we will do the 1 part of the X, right? So now it is also given that if A alone can do, then it will finish in 9 days. So A can do the work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 9 part of the work, right? अगर A अकेले काम करता है 9 दिन लगता है 9 डेज लगता है तो एक दिन में वो करेगा 1 part of the 9, right? Now it is given that if they are working together, then it will take 6 days. Okay. So if they are working together, then it will take 6 days. So we will write if they are working together, then the work will finish in how many days? So working together or A and B together, A and B together can do the pieces of work. So working together can do the work in 1 day is equal to 1 by 6, right? So in 1 by 6 days, I mean the total work in 6 days he is finishing. So one part of the 6 days they will finish together if they work in 1 day. अगर दोनों एक साथ काम करता है तो एक दिन में 1 by 6 पर पार्ट वर्क कर लेगा. So अब अगर दोनों एक साथ काम करता है तो it will be the sum of both 1 by x plus 1 by 9, right? Because they are working together. So therefore 1 by x plus 1 by 9, then they So now if you calculate this, it will be 9 plus 6 by 9x is equal to 1 by 6. So this will become 9 plus x divided by 9x is equal to 1 by 6. So now this will be 54 plus 6x is equal to 9x. Okay. So 3x is equal to 54. 3x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 3 1 are 3, 4 5, 3 8 are 24. So 18. So therefore, if they are working together, it will take. If A alone do the work, then it can be finished in 9 days. But if B alone can do the work, then it will take 18 days. So therefore, I am writing answer here. Therefore, in 18 days, B can do the work. So whatever the work is there, it will take 18 days for B to complete it. So most important thing is to understand here only we will consider that B is taking X days. So in one day the B will complete 1 by X part of the work, and A is doing in 9 days. So in one day 1 by 9 part of the work, and total time is taking 6 days. So in one day the time work will be 1 by 6 part of the work. Okay. So now they are working together, then it will finish in 1 by 6 days. So now after calculating this, you will get the value of X 18. So in 18 days, we can do the business of work. So this is how you can solve this type of question. So now I hope you can solve maximum questions from exercise 13A. So your homework is exercise 13A. Question number 1 to 10. So try to solve up to 1 to 10, and if you have any doubts, we will discuss during live classes also. We will discuss during the discussion also. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care.